Hey guys, it's Jay. Welcome back to class. Hope you're doing well. The weather outside is fantastic today, right? Fantastic weather. So I'm feeling good and I hope you are too. So today we're going to talk a little bit about be verbs. Some be verbs, right? Be verbs with adjective. Be doshi to keiyoshi, right? Be verbs with adjectives. In English, they can be actually a little easy to mistake when you talk about the state of a situation, right? このまま、そのまま, right? So, right? 壊れている、壊れていたとか, things like that. All right? So that's what we're going to focus on today. So let's look at the board here. First one, the door is open. The door is open. それは開いている。これは現在形備動詞でしょ。開いてまま、開いている。We know, we can see it. 見える。It's open. It is open. All right. Oh, I made a mistake here. I should write the be verb. The door is closed. The door is closed. 閉めている. I see the door. It's closed. The door is closed. So that uses, right? This one and this one. Present tense, present tense. 現在形、現在形。わかりやすいね。だけど、if I wrote, the door was closed. The door was closed. 閉めていた. Now I know the door isn't closed. 今開いたまま. なぜ? be 動詞過去形だから。閉めていた. 閉めていた. Okay? You want to use that. The be verb is the most important part when you're talking with adjectives. Okay? I am tired. 今疲れている. I was tired. 疲れていた. Now, no effect. 今関係ないでしょ? Alright. So, I closed the door 1 hour ago. これは普通の過去, right? 過去動詞, right? 過去動詞. I closed the door. 1時間前、ドアを閉めました。今は開いている、まだ閉めている、関係ない。でしょ? I closed the door 1 hour ago. これは形容詞。Remember, 過去分詞形動詞は形容詞できる。それだから、これは本当に閉めた。違う。形容詞、動詞。形容詞、動詞。Okay? 過去動詞、形容詞。The door was closed. 閉めていた。I closed the door. 閉めた。Okay? Without the be 動詞。be 動詞はなし。わかる。Right? わかりやすい。本当のする動詞。Action, action. I closed the door. Alright, so check out the link in the description there, open up the worksheet, and let's see what we're going to do with the be verbs. Alright, you got it open? Alright, let's check. Is broken, was broken, it broke. Is broken, was broken, it broke. Okay? Alright, let's look at number 1. My vacuum is broken. My vacuum is broken. Okay? Alright, 今、正直は壊れている. Okay? We know it doesn't work now. Now it's, right? No good, no good. All right, number 2. Her computer was broken. Was broken. 壊れていた. But she got it fixed. She got it fixed. 直してくれた. Okay? She got it fixed. So now we know it's okay. Was broken. 過去形 be 動詞. It was broken. 壊れていた. Just like Japanese. 日本語同じ. Okay? 壊れていた. 今は OK. Alright, number 3. His iPhone broke last week. His iPhone broke last week. 先週変わったね。We don't know if it's okay now or not. 今は大丈夫。今はまだ壊れている。知りません。Right? 先週壊した。It broke last week. それだけ。Okay? So if you use the simple past, you want to have a time with that verb. Okay? 時間に入れます。いつに。I broke it last week. It broke last week. Alright, number 4. My ex-girlfriend died in a car crash last year. Right? She died. 死んだ. 死んだ. Okay? Alright, number 5. Shakespeare is dead. Shakespeare is dead. 死んでいる. Okay? Is dead. Is dead. A lot of times, a lot of my students will mix this up, right? Was dead, is dead. Be careful, right? Is dead. Now you're in the grave, okay? Number 6, though. Zombies were dead, but now they walk again among us. Right? Were. 過去形動詞と形容詞は前にそのでした。Right? そのままでした。でも今は違う。Alright? So, if you said, Shakespeare was dead, Shakespeare was dead 言ったら、今もう一回生きている。ダメ、right? He is dead. Now, he's bye-bye. But zombies were dead, but they came back. 戻ったね。So they were dead, but they are here now. Alright. So a lot of times, my students will say to me, my father was dead last week. それはダメね。My father died. You just use 普通の動詞ね。死にました。Right? He died last week. Okay? My computer broke last week. Don't use the 過去形動詞ね with the 形容詞. Be careful. Be really, really careful. So let's look in the blue box for the rules, right? So is are 現在形動詞 with the 形容詞, right? It is so now. 今そのまま. It is so now, right? It is broken. It is broken. 壊れている. 日本語は絶対同じ. Okay? My vacuum is broken. It doesn't work now. 今動かない. Was were 過去形動詞 with the 形容詞. そのままでした. It was, but not now. Okay? Now, no. Alright? 壊れていた. Again, Japanese is the same. 日本語絶対同じね. 壊れていた. Right? My vacuum was broken. Now it works. 今は大丈夫. Okay? Alright. My father was dead. それはダメね. My father was dead. 意味がないね. That would be like, now he is alive. もう一回生きている. So no. So be careful, be careful. それがポイント. Alright. And just the simple past verb. 普通の過去形動詞は、いつにしました. Okay? Right? When did the action happen? With time. Alright? My vacuum broke last week. 先週壊した. But does it work now? We don't care. 関係ない. Okay? Last week. Only last week it broke. Now, we don't know. Okay? As the speaker, as the answerer, we don't know, we don't care. It broke last week. Did you get it fixed? Yes, I did. So it was broken. Did you get it fixed? No, I didn't. So it is still broken. まだ壊れているね. Okay? Alright. So let's look down to the very bottom. We got 6 questions here. We're going to use the verbs on the right side. その青いの箱に動詞は6つね. So, 6つ, sorry. 6 times. We're going to change these verbs. この動詞は right? 過去分詞形になる形容詞になります. Alright? So we have tie, break, fix, die 2 times, and tire. Tire, okay? Tire 使われる. So number 1. My PC last week, but I got it repaired. Last week. Right? Finished time, だから broke. It broke last week, but I got it repaired. So now it's okay. So since you crossed that, but 変わりました. But okay, right? Number 2. My great grandfather, right? ひいじいちゃん. Last month. それは died. 死にました. He died. 亡くなりました. He died last month. Okay? Dead は言わん. So, this is a little hard. これちょっと難しい. 90% は right? 過去分詞形形容詞大丈夫. でも時々は過去分詞形は形容詞はダメ. Okay? So, 例えば die, died, and then died. Have died. Okay? Dead は形容詞だけ. Have dead はダメ. We would never say. Eat, ate, eaten は食べたことあるとかね、過去分詞形。それも形容詞はダメね。多分例がある、but 普通はしない。でも tired は形容詞大丈夫。excited 形容詞は大丈夫ね。そう、いつもではないだけど、ほとんどは Okay, ne? So don't worry about that. But be careful, be careful. Right? Have dead wa dai. All right, number 3. Today, because I worked all night. I worked all night. Right? All night. 夜中働きました. So, I am tired. Right? I am tired. I am tired. Okay? Today I'm tired. 今日疲れている。なぜ？夜働き中ね。I worked all night, right? 夜中働きました。All right. Number 4. Most people who were born in the 1890s are now. 1890s, 1990代 dead. So in this case, right, you want to use the adjective version of died. Okay, died, 死んだ, dead, 死んでいる形容詞. Okay, they are died or die. Okay, it's really easy to mix these. これは間違いやすいね. But dead は形容詞だけ. Okay, is dead. 過去形 was dead は言わない. All right, we never say that. Number 5 is a little hard. My shoelaces. But they came undone. They came undone. You know, like a child. They tie their shoelaces. Tie. Right? Tie. 縛る. But then, slowly during the day, they open up and, oh my gosh. So, past tense, it's a little hard. Were tied. My shoelaces were tied. Right? 縛られていました. But they opened up and then flopping around. All right, and then number 6. My car broke down last week, but it now. Okay, broke down, but now, okay. So we would say it is fixed now. 直しているよ. It's fixed. もう直したよ. もう直しているよ. It is fixed now. So, be 動詞 is 現在 be 動詞 with ed. It is fixed now. It's fixed now. Okay, so I'm telling you this new information. All right. So, this will help describe adjectives, right? Your teeth are bad. 今. You need to get a lot of cleaning. My teeth were bad. 過去形 now already fixed. My teeth were bad, but I went to the dentist. He cleaned my teeth. Now everything's okay, right? Is bad, were bad. Be careful which one you're talking about, okay? All right, guys, so I hope this helps you use your adjectives correctly with the simple past. All right, thank you very much. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.